Is your balcony feeling dull and unused? Get ready to transform it into a stunning retreat. In this video, we'll reveal 30 small balcony makeover ideas, from cozy coffee nooks to dreamy garden escapes. Whether you want a peaceful zen corner or a lively entertainment spot, we've got the perfect inspiration for you. Let's dive in and give your balcony the makeover it deserves. Create an urban jungle paradise with vertical gardens and hanging planters. Turn your balcony into a green heaven with vertical gardens and potted plants. Add hanging planters for a refreshing vibe. Design a cozy boho retreat with rugs, cushions, and fairy lights. Layer rugs, cushions, and throws and earthy tones for a relaxed bohemian style. Add fairy lights for a magical touch. Set up a compact coffee nook with foldable tables and aromatic plants. Set up a foldable table and stools for a perfect morning coffee corner. Add aromatic herbs for a natural fragrance. Do you prefer a cozy seating area or a mini garden for your balcony? Share your thoughts in the comments. Add a swing into comfort with hammocks or hanging chairs. Install a stylish swing chair or hammock to relax after a long day. Pair it with soft cushions for extra comfort. Pro tip: install wall-mounted shelves, vertical gardens, or hanging planters to save floor space and add greenery. Create a minimalist zen corner with sleek furniture and bonsai plants. Keep it simple with sleek furniture and a pebble floor. Add bonsai plants and candles for a peaceful vibe. Build a bistro-style setup with a small table and folding chairs. Recreate a Parisian cafe with a small round table and folding chairs. Place a lantern centerpiece for evening charm. Shelves for plants and decor. Install floating shelves for decor and storage. Display books, plants, and candles for a warm look. Design a romantic candlelit escape with lanterns and fairy lights. Place lanterns, candles, and fairy lights for a dreamy ambience. Add roses or ivy vines to complete the look. Expert advice: opt for foldable chairs, tables, and stools to keep the balcony flexible and clutter-free. Add a balcony bar counter with stools and LED lighting. Transform one side into a mini bar with a countertop and stools. Use LED strip lights to highlight the bar area. Set up an outdoor workstation with a desk and ergonomic chair. Add a compact desk and ergonomic chair for a productive outdoor office. Use weatherproof materials for durability. Want to recreate these balcony looks? Check out the Amazon links in the description for budget-friendly decor and furniture ideas. Bring beach vibes to your corner with blue tones and seashell decor. Use light blue and sandy hues with seashell decor for a coastal look. Add a beach umbrella for shade and style. Create hanging garden bliss with trailing plants and vibrant flowers. Maximize vertical space with hanging pots and trailing plants. Combine vibrant flowers for a colorful appeal. Style tip: incorporate outdoor rugs, cushions, and throws for comfort and style without taking up much space. Upgrade to a wooden decked floor with interlocking tiles. Upgrade with interlocking wooden tiles for a polished look. Pair with woven chairs and earthy tones for harmony. Add privacy with bamboo screens and warm lantern lighting. Use bamboo panels or reed fencing for added privacy. Pair with lanterns to create an exotic atmosphere. Imagine stepping out every morning to a balcony that feels like a mini vacation spot. What's your dream balcony vibe? Comment below. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs a quick balcony upgrade. Infuse Mediterranean charm with terracotta pots and patterned tiles. Decorate with terracotta pots, patterned tiles, and olive plants. Incorporate blue and white cushions for a breezy feel. Make a convertible seating zone with storage benches and cushions. Add benches with hidden storage for a dual-purpose design. Use colorful cushions for an inviting look. Insider's take: string fairy lights, lanterns, or LED strips to create a warm and inviting ambience for evenings. Grow a herb garden delight with racks of basil and rosemary. Grow herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary in vertical racks. Label them for a cute and organized appearance. That's 17 creative balcony ideas done. Which one is your favorite so far? Like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and share it with friends who love balcony decor. Build a floral bliss corner with climbing vines and colorful flowers. Fill the balcony with vibrant flowering plants like bougainvillea. Add trellises for climbing vines to enhance the charm. Design a movie night setup with a projector screen and bean bags. Install a foldable projector screen and bean bags for outdoor movie nights. Add lanterns and fairy lights for ambience. Create an eclectic seating mix with poofs and colorful stools. Mix and match colorful stools, poofs, and floor cushions. Incorporate patterns and textures for a bold look. Ready to start your balcony makeover? Explore our Amazon recommendations below in the description for stylish and affordable essentials. Add an industrial loft feel with metal railings and Edison bulbs. Use metal railings, concrete planters, and Edison bulbs for an urban look. Keep the furniture sleek and modern. Design hack: pick a cohesive color scheme, such as neutral tones or vibrant accents, to give the space a polished look. Light up a fairy light fantasy with glowing lights and candles. Drape fairy lights along the railings and ceiling for magical evenings. Add lanterns and candles for extra glow. Achieve Scandinavian elegance with light wood and neutral tones. Stick to light wood, whites, and greys for a clean look. Add fluffy throws and minimal decor for a cozy vibe. Which of these makeover ideas would you try first? Boho retreat, urban jungle, or balcony bar? Drop your favorite in the comments. Hit that share button to inspire someone looking to revamp their balcony this year. Build creative DIY pallet seating with painted pallets and cushions. Build seating with wooden pallets and add thick cushions. Paint the pallets for a personalized touch. Design an artistic wall display with frames, murals, and dream catchers. Use your balcony wall as an art gallery with framed photos or murals. Hang dream catchers or woven crafts for extra style. Smart move: use storage benches, planters with shelves, or compact bar units to maximize utility without compromising aesthetics. Create a pet-friendly spot with cozy beds and artificial grass. Design a safe and cozy area with pet beds and artificial grass. Add shaded areas and water bowls for comfort. Set up a relaxing yoga corner with mats, plants, and wind chimes. Place a mat, cushions, and plants for a serene yoga spot. Hang wind chimes for calming sound therapy. Tell us your favorite balcony design style: boho, modern, or rustic. Drop your comment below. Add a portable fire pit setup with throws and intimate seating. Add a small fire pit for cozy evenings. Pair with benches and throws for a warm, intimate feel. Bring rustic charm appeal with wooden accents and vintage planters. Incorporate wooden accents, lanterns, and vintage planters. Use distressed finishes for a rustic vibe. Top pick: add potted plants, succulents, or herbs to make the balcony feel alive and refreshing. Maximize space with foldable furniture magic for flexible layouts. Invest in foldable chairs and tables for flexible arrangements. Store them easily when not in use. Love these balcony makeover ideas? Don't forget to like, share, and comment your favorite design. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss more exciting home makeover tips. See you in the next video.